mental degradation, especially on vulnerable people in our society. There is lack and clear link between environment and our actions. Honorable Chair and members, I believe that this is a critical moment when we are presented with an opportunity to shape our environmental future. And if approved by this esteemed committee, I intend to do my level best to help stop killing our planet. I will pursue every specific and set priorities. First, during the United Nations Environmental Assembly held last year, Kenya demonstrated leadership by sponsoring and guiding the passage of 3 significant solutions. These are: 1, promoting sustainability solutions through sports and resilient planet. Secondly, environmental sustainability of artificial intelligence system. And third, environmental dimension of antimicrobial resistance. These are critical, and to ensure effective and efficient achievement, I intend to establish core structures, such as specialized working groups, bringing together multiple stakeholders to partner and to do the implementation. Secondly, though the leadership of His Excellency, the President, Kenya and Africa are emerging as the global leaders in climate action. The National Climate Change Action Plan of the year 2023 to 2027 seeks climatic positive growth by maximizing African energy potential, vast natural resources, and youthful workforce to drive this industrialization. I will be keen to advance this agenda, ensuring that Kenya and Africa interests are represented, and working together with other parties to see that the impact of these actions is not just high level, but reaching out the grassroots